APC solution. Last time we opened an Asus VG278 144 Hz 1 millisecond response time monitor, which you can see behind me. What we didn't do is we didn't show you how to get that 144 Hz, because by default, if you have Windows 10, it's only going to register as 59 Hz. And this is true of most monitors. If you want to reap the full benefits of your new monitor, any of them really, that are at 144 Hz, you're going to need to go through the following steps. You will need to use a DisplayPort connector, because HDMI, to the best of my knowledge, can't meet the 144 Hz. It just can't push enough data through an HDMI cable. So the way you change those settings is you go to your desktop and just simply right click, go down to Display Settings, and then you're going to scroll all the way down to Advanced Display Settings. Not to be confused with the Advanced Scaling Settings. Once you go into there, you'll look for your monitor. In our case, we're looking for the VG278, and then click on Display Adapter Properties for this display. Move to the Monitor tab, and you'll see right here the default setting of 59 Hz, and you'll scroll down and select your 144 Hz and hit OK. And keep changes. Now you'll see right here, refresh rate 144 Hz. So the other thing you're going to want to keep in mind is if you get a 144 Hz monitor or 120 Hz monitor or anything above 60 Hz, and you start realizing that when you're at the computer you're getting headaches more frequently than before, anything along those lines, you may want to come back to here, dial down the refresh rate a little bit, because there are some people that the high refresh rate causes eye strain for, which induces headaches. So play around with the resolution if you fall into that category until you don't run into the situation where you're getting headaches every time you sit at the monitor. Thanks for tuning in to this episode by APC Solution. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to be notified about future videos, please make sure to hit the subscribe button.